Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to block someone on Pinterest. So for this you need to open your Pinterest account and choose that person's profile uh, whom you wanna block. Then go for that person profile and go for this three dot option and just click on block. Click on block again. Okay, so it's done. So this way you can block a person on Pinterest. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.